Hi, I'm Barb, and I want to talk to you about your Triumph serger because you just got it out of the box, right? You're so excited you have this great serger, but then you've got to put this on it, and you don't know how. Let me turn this around and let you see what you do with this, because this is really important. Right back here, there's little notch holes, and right here, there are little notches. You want to fit those in the notch holes and snap it in place. Now, after you snap that in place, you can see that it can come on and off, but you don't want to take that on and off. You really want to leave it in there because every time you move that on and off, those little notches can break. You don't want to break those, right? You want to keep them in place. So just leave them there unless you really have to take them off. And then before you can sew, of course, you need to raise your telescoping thread guide. And this will just snap into place too, and it's not going to turn once you snap it into place. There you go.